Hi guys, I'm Mrs. Velchek, and today I'm going to walk you through how to digitally highlight a text and leave comments using Kami. So first things first, we're going to go into Canvas and pull up an assignment that our teacher's already loaded into Kami. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to pull up our Avid contract. Okay, so here I am in our Avid course. I'm going to scroll to the bottom of the assignment. So I'm in our Canvas module and I'm in the assignment for our Avid contract. And down at the very bottom of all of the explanation is this button that says Load Avid Contract in a new window. If this was a different assignment, Avid Contract is the name of the document. So it would be whatever that document is called. So I'm going to click on that. And this takes me right into Kami. There's the document that my teacher's uploaded that I need to interact with. I want to, first, I'm probably going to go through and read the document, and then I'm going to highlight. My teacher told me to highlight anything that I strongly agree with in green. So I'm going to go to markup. I'm going to click on the text highlighter and I'm going to click on green. So one of the things as I go through this that I really agree with is that absolutely I'm going to maintain at least a 2.0 GPA. So I click, I drag across, and it highlights and turns the color to green. Now, let's say that I was like, ooh, you know what? Maybe I don't really agree with that. When I move my cursor over where I've highlighted, I get a window, a little section of buttons right up there. So I'm going to say, ooh, I really disagree with that, and I'm going to remove it. Okay. Here is a thing. If I earn an F in any class, I'll be placed on probation. Well, I have a question about that. And my teacher told me if I have questions to do those in yellow. So I'm going to highlight, I'll be placed on probation in yellow. And my teacher told me to highlight things I disagree with in pink. And down here it says, I will participate in extracurricular activities. Well, I really disagree with that. So I'm going to highlight that one in pink. Let's go back to this one that I had questions on. If I move my cursor over the highlighted section, you'll see that little window that pops up right above. If I click on kind of the cartoon bubble right here, it says convert to comment. If I click on that, it lets me write a comment over here. So the reason that I highlighted that yellow was because I don't know what is probation. And can I get off of probation? Okay. So that's what I'm not understanding about that. Another way that I can do that same thing, let's say that I'm going to go back to yellow. I'll be an active learner. Well, I'm not really sure what my teacher means by be an active learner. So if I don't want to go this way and hover over it and get this little talking bubble, I can come all the way over to the bar on the left, and underneath markup, I'm going to click on comment. I'm going to make sure my text comment is highlighted, and I'm going to go ahead and make it yellow because that's the color it was. And I'm going to click there. Notice it puts this little round circle there and pops up with my comment on the right-hand side. So I'm going to say, what is an active learner? I don't know what that means. Okay. So now my teacher knows that's what my question is there. So I would go through and I would do this for the entire document. Okay. And when I'm done, there's going to be a button up here that says to turn in. So I'm going to click on that and I'm going to turn in my assignment. That'll be turned in on Canvas for my teacher.